Hey, what's up everybody? Ben here from blogwithben.com, and today I'm partnering with NameHero Web Hosting to bring you this guide on HeroicMail, a new fully managed email hosting service from NameHero. HeroicMail offers a secure, privacy-focused email solution addressing concerns about data privacy and offering features like a built-in calendar, team chat, document sharing, note-taking, and much more. It's designed to be an affordable alternative to third-party email providers with pricing that scales with your needs and fits any budget. And in this video, I'll show you how easy it is to get started with HeroicMail and set it up. Now, real quick before we get started, if you get any value out of this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Helps me bring you more resources and keeps you up to date with all the WordPress and tech trends happening throughout the year. But either way, thank you so much for all your support. Also, as we're going through this video, I highly recommend checking out NameHero's blog post and video tutorial on the topic. I've linked to it in the video description below, but this is a great resource to reference as you're watching this tutorial. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. First, head over to NameHero.com, and in the nav at the top of the screen, click on Email, and this will bring you to the email hosting, pricing, and plans page. Now, many third-party providers charge up to $25 per user monthly, which can be expensive for large teams. However, NameHero's email hosting offers some truly competitive pricing options when it comes to what you get. As you can see, NameHero offers 4 different plans designed to fit any size organization and budget. The plans vary in price, email storage, and the number of email accounts that you can have. However, they all include powerful features like web-based email with POP3, IMAP, and SMT support, offering flexible options for accessing your emails and allowing you to access your emails from any device with internet access. They all have superior spam protection to keep your inbox clean and secure. Premium email deliverability ensures your emails reach their destination. There's an integrated calendar so you can stay organized and manage your schedule. Free migration, this one is huge. NameHero will move your emails from your existing provider to prevent any interruptions in your business. So after you sign up, just submit a support ticket and they will migrate everything for you free of charge. Finally, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free for 30 days, and if you decide it's not for you, you can get your money back. Also, all accounts share the total storage, preventing over-allocation issues, and users can upgrade storage as needed. So regardless of the plan you choose, HeroicMail offers cost-effective email hosting with robust security and privacy features, making it an excellent choice for businesses of all sizes. So whenever you're ready, select the plan you want to use by clicking the Order Now button. And the first step in the process is to select a domain that you want the email to be associated with. You could start with a brand new domain, or you can use an existing domain that you already own. Now for this example, I'm starting from scratch, so I'll purchase a brand new domain to use with my email hosting. So in the field provided there on the left, type your desired domain and extension, and click the search button. Hopefully this one is available. And it is. You'll get this green success notification letting you know that it's available to purchase. If your domain isn't available, you'll need to select another domain that is. Okay, so this one's good to go, so let's click the Continue button, and this will bring you to the email hosting options, starting with creating your primary email account for the domain. So first, you'll want to create an email username. This is the master email account and will be used as the admin account. For example, I'm purchasing the starter email plan with a new domain, so I'm allowed 2 email address accounts. But again, this account that I'm about to create will be the master admin account. So in the field provided, type what you want the email username to be. And I'm going to have this be hello. So my master admin email address for this account will be hello@testemailherodemo.com. Okay, next it's recommended that you generate a new and secure password. So I'd click the Generate Password button, and NameHero will generate a random password that you could use for this account. Now, for the sake of this example, I'm going to regenerate a new one since you could see this one, and I'll blur out the new one. But when you have your password, click the Copy to Clipboard and Insert button, and there we go. Also, keep in mind that this is what you'll use to log into your webmail from here on out. Additionally, after going through the checkout process and creating a NameHero account, they're going to email you a confirmation email that has all of your login credentials. So just FYI. All right, next you'll want to select your billing cycle. Now you'll notice that you have some different options here in terms of the length of time in between billings. The longer your billing cycle, the lower the monthly rate. You could purchase 3 years, 2 years, 1 year, and even go on a month-to-month billing cycle. So once you select the one that works best for you, click the Continue button. Next are the domain options, and these are some add-on features. And if you are registering your domain and don't have an existing web host with NameHero, then you'll want to make sure the DNS management box is checked. Yes, it's an additional $298 per year, but this ensures that you can manage your email records here at NameHero. Next is ID protection. This is like gated protection for your personal info and is an added layer from spam. It too is an additional cost, but it's not required like DNS management. But either way, decide whether or not you want to add ID protection and then click the Continue button when you're ready to check out. Next, you'll be able to review the breakdown of costs, including domain and email hosting fees. And less than $100 for the year for a domain with professionally hosted and secure email is a huge savings. As I mentioned earlier in the video, my previous third-party email host for my blog with Ben Business was nearly $50 per month for just 2 email accounts. So NameHero is really offering a great deal with their new email hosting. Also, keep in mind that prices may vary depending on whether or not they're running some sales campaigns, but either way, this is saving me a ton of money for my email hosting compared to what I was using in the past. All right, so you'll obviously want to continue filling out the account info and billing info below, and if you're brand new to NameHero, you'll want to create a new NameHero account and pay for the email hosting. So for the sake of time, I'm going to do that really quick and fast forward. And after you make your purchase and create your NameHero account, you'll get this confirmation message letting you know that the payment went through and you can continue to the client area by clicking that button. And this will bring you to your NameHero client area account dashboard. This is like home base for your account and is where you can manage your domain as well as your email. And I should point out that after you make your purchase, you'll be receiving some emails from NameHero in the inbox that you signed up with, one of them being your webmail login. Again, you could always access your webmail via your NameHero account dashboard, which we'll do in a few moments, but you can also access it here with these login credentials. So keep an eye out for these emails and store this info in a safe location. Next, since I purchased and registered a brand new domain with NameHero, I'll need to verify my email address that I signed up with. So please keep an eye out for another email from NameHero asking you to verify your contact info. If you don't see the email in your inbox, please be sure to check your spam bulk email folder and reach out to NameHero support to have them resend it. But either way, once you receive this email, please be aware that you'll need to verify your domain info before the date listed here in the email, which is usually 14 days, or your domain will be deactivated. So again, for new registrations, you must verify your email address here. So keep an eye out for this email, and all you'll do is click the link within it to verify your info. And in a few seconds, you should get a notification letting you know that the registrant contact info has been successfully verified. Okay, back at the NameHero account dashboard, the next thing we'll want to do is add the MX record to the account. So anytime you want to access your email hosting service or log into your webmail, you could do so here by clicking on Manage within your product services here in the dashboard. And if you're brand new to this, it may sound technical, but it's really super simple and is just copying and pasting this MX record right here in your email hosting account details. Also, depending on how you purchased your email hosting, meaning if you purchased a brand new domain and your DNS management is handled here in NameHero, then you'll add this MX record like I'm about to show you. However, if you're using an existing domain or your DNS records are managed outside of NameHero, then you can either add the record via your domain registrar or simply reach out to NameHero technical support and ask them the best steps in order to do this. But again, since I have a brand new domain with the DNS management located here in NameHero, all you'll do is copy this MX record like so, I'm highlighting it, and then I'm on a Mac, so I'm pressing Command-C on my keyboard to copy it. Then head over to the DNS management, and to get there, within your account dashboard sidebar nav, hover your mouse over Domains and click on My Domains. And this will take you to your domain listing where you can access all of your domains on your NameHero account. I only have one, but to access the DNS management for this domain, click the three-dot icon there towards the right and select Manage Domain from that dropdown. Then to set the MX record for this domain, you'll select DNS management from that menu. And this is where you can add various records to the domain. Now, I've already added this MX record for this domain, but all you'll do is for the host name, type the @ symbol. Then for the record type, you'll select MXMail. And then for the address, paste the mail.heroicmail.com and add a period after that. And then for the priority, I set it to 10, but you could set it to 5, and that would be okay. Then when you're done, click the Save Changes button. And then there are some other records that need to be added in order for the domain to be configured correctly. But I will say that after I added the MX record and came back to my account the next day, NameHero support had automatically configured my DNS management and set all of these records up for me so that my email would be functional. And let me show you what I mean. So if we visit the home section of my account dashboard, whenever I logged into my account the next day, I saw this support ticket had been opened by NameHero, and I didn't reach out or ask them to do this, so I think this is an auto-generated thing whenever you first sign up. But either way, they went in and made sure that all the records were set up correctly so that my email would function properly. So if you have any questions about these records or just want NameHero to do it for you, I highly recommend creating a support ticket here in your account dashboard. Just click on support and you could submit a ticket, and they'll be more than happy to help you out, obviously. That is pretty cool. And speaking of support, I should mention that if you need DKIM set up for DKIM authentication, then you will definitely need to submit a support ticket for that one. I didn't see DKIM in the interface yet, and I believe NameHero is working on adding that. But for now, if you need DKIM set up, just submit a support ticket and NameHero will take care of it for you. Okay, next, let's take a look at the actual webmail interface. So anytime you want to access your email from your NameHero account, you could do so by visiting My Services, and then click on the email hosting to open the client area, and then click either the menu item or the icon that say Go to Webmail. And this will take you to your new HeroicMail inbox and is where you can begin to send and receive emails, as well as fine-tune your account and configure a handful of some really cool and helpful tools to help your communications and business stay efficient. Now, if this is your first time here, you'll more than likely see this automated welcome email from Icewarp. This is the vendor NameHero uses for their web client, but there are a couple of tools here you could use if you'd like to set up your email on your Windows desktop so you can access this inbox directly from your desktop. There's even a chat client, iOS, Outlook, and a Mac desktop client as well. Now, we're not going to go through these in this video, but you can click on either one of those to get more info on how to set those up and sync them with your new email hosting account at NameHero. Okay, so taking a quick look at the Heroic webmail interface, it's pretty familiar in the sense that you have your inbox, drafts, spam, and filters all accessible right here, which is nice. Then if we take a look at the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen, you have this little nav where you can access different features of HeroicMail. And when you have some extra time, I encourage you to take a closer look at these, but I'll give you a quick tour. We're obviously in the inbox, but next is the team chat. Once you add additional users to the account, you can add them here and chat directly with them in this team chat section. Next is your calendar. You can create appointments, schedule meetings, block off time, share the calendar, etc. Next are your contacts. As you start emailing people, your contacts will obviously fill up, but this is where you can manage and access all of your contacts. Next, we have the files and documents. This is where you can upload and store various files and documents and share them with your team. There's also a task list here as well. You can create tasks to help you stay on schedule, and you can also share these with your team. Next, we have the notes section. You can create notes for yourself and your team. Pretty handy. And finally is your trash. Pretty standard, but this is where you can access your trashed items if needed. Okay, that's the webmail interface. Pretty intuitive, easy to navigate, and super helpful for keeping your team's email and communication synced. All right, the last thing I want to go over is for the admin users. So if you are the admin on the account, then you'll have the ability to add new users to the account and create email aliases. First, let's add a new user. So from the client area, you can click the menu item or the icon titled Email Accounts. And since I purchased the starter package, I can have 2 users on this account. So I can add another email mailbox. And to do that, simply click the Add Mailbox button, and a little pop-up will appear where you'll add some general info like their name, and then you'll create the email username and password. And there is also some additional info that you can add by clicking that tab, but it's not required. And then once these fields are filled out, click the Confirm button, and your new user account will be created and their inbox will be available in the HeroicMail. Now, you will need to send them their login credentials, but this is how you can add a new user and create a mailbox for them in the account. Then the last feature I want to show you as an admin is how to create email aliases. So if you click the Email Aliases menu option, this is where you can create and manage the various email aliases for your account. And an email alias is an alternative email address that forwards messages to your primary email account. It allows you to receive emails sent to different addresses without creating separate accounts. For example, to add an alias, click the Add Email Alias button. And from here, you can have a, let's say, support@yourdomain.com as an alias for the main email account, and you'll be able to receive all support-related emails to your primary inbox. This helps manage multiple email identities easily without the need for multiple inboxes. Just click the Confirm button and you'll be good to go. And I believe you can have unlimited aliases per account, so these don't count as a user on the account, just FYI. Okay, so that's going to do it for the NameHero HeroicMail tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Remember, if you have any questions or need some extra help, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Also, don't forget about NameHero's top-notch support. You can also submit a support ticket through their client dashboard, and their team will help you out there as well. And finally, check out NameHero's blog post and full video tutorial on email hosting. Ryan Gray, the CEO of NameHero, takes you on an in-depth look at the powerful features of HeroicMail. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.